Withdrawing money from TikTok involves several steps, primarily through the TikTok app and potentially using third-party payment services like PayPal. Here's a general guide on how to do it. 1. Ensure you have earnings to withdraw. Before you can withdraw money, you need to have earned money on TikTok through the Creator Fund, gifts from live streams, or brand partnerships. 2. Accessing the earnings section. Open TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Go to Profile. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Open Settings. Tap on the 3 dots or 3 lines in the top right corner to access the settings. Select Balance. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Balance. 3. Withdraw funds. Tap on Withdraw. In the Balance section, you will see your available balance and an option to withdraw. Choose Withdrawal Method. TikTok typically allows withdrawals through PayPal. Ensure you have a PayPal account linked. Follow instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the withdrawal process. This may include entering the amount you want to withdraw and confirming your PayPal account details. 4. Processing time. The withdrawal process may take a few days to reflect in your PayPal account. TikTok usually has a minimum threshold for withdrawals, for example, $10, so ensure you meet this requirement before attempting to withdraw. 5. Additional verification. For security purposes, TikTok might require additional verification steps. Make sure to provide any requested information promptly to avoid delays. Troubleshooting tips. Check account status. Ensure your TikTok account is in good standing and you have followed all community guidelines. Update app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the TikTok app to avoid any technical issues. Contact support. If you encounter any issues, you can contact TikTok support for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to withdraw your earnings from TikTok smoothly.